Thank you, Eliud, for remembering to avert a crisis later in the day. Your Excellency, President William Samoei Ruto, Deputy President, Chief Cabinet Secretary, Cabinet Secretaries, Governors present, Honorable Members of Parliament, the clergy, na waheshimiwa wananchi. We're here today to pay homage and cheer my good friend Eliud Okech Owalo. I've worked with Eliud Owalo for many years, probably about 20 years. What has been said about him is true. He's hardworking, he's brilliant, he's honest, keeps his word, and above all, he's a go-getter. In fact, he's a man of great faith. And it is the faith you have, Eliud, that has brought you this far. When there was a choice to make for short-term convenience in politics and long-term interest in politics, you chose long-term interest in politics. And we come here to stand with you, encourage you, and tell you that you will not walk alone in this life that we all live in. So being here today is a day for you to stand above everybody else and thank His Excellency for looking around the 50 million Kenyans and giving you an opportunity to serve the people of Kenya. An opportunity that I have no doubt you will discharge with absolute distinction, because I know that's how you work. People of Siaya, led by my brother and friend James Orengo, whom we worked with for a very long time. We are here to say that we are one indivisible, happy family called Kenya. And this big, happy family called Kenya should never allow anybody to create fault lines, define irrelevant boundaries between us, or define Kenyans on the lines that don't keep us together. And I want to salute our president, because since you went into office, you've been everywhere, telling Kenyans that whether they voted for you or not, you are the President of the Republic of Kenya and you will serve each and everyone without any fear, favor, or prejudice. And that's what a president must be, should be, and will be. So we join you in celebrating the success of your minister. I also want to confirm that the area MP of this constituency is out of the country on my permission with a delegation from Parliament. He called me and told me to convey his gratitude to you, Your Excellency, for picking Eliud Owalo from his constituency. Lastly, nataka kuwaomba ndugu zetu wa Kenya. Siasa ilikwisha, iko nyuma yetu. Sasa ni kuungana na kushikana mikono. Tutembee pamoja kutoka Vanga mpaka Turkana, kutoka Lamu mpaka Malaba. Kila Mkenya awe na nafasi ya kujivunia kuwa Mkenya. Kila Mkenya awe na nafasi ya kujiona ya kwamba hii serikali ni yetu sisi zote. And I like what Orengo has said. You know, Orengo has always been a very vibrant politician, sometimes more active when he's opposing than when he's supporting. But today, you've spoken and touched my heart. That where we are, and where you are, and where we shall all be is to know that we have no spare country. There's only one Kenya. And we salute the outcome of the last elections because Kenyans were sitting on tenterhooks. Are we going to fight again? No. Are we going to quarrel again? No. Are we going to raise irrelevant, trivial arguments? No. We shall remain one. And Mr. President, Shakespeare said, unease is the head that wears the crown. The crown is on your head. Even if you become uneasy, carry the duty of uniting Kenyans. Thank you so much. Ndugu zangu, nyinyi watu wa Siaya, mumeoa mtoto yangu msichana, kwa hivyo nyinyi ni nyawana, na sasa nikimaliza hapa nataka ile mahali ilibaki munipeleke mahali nikule vizuri, na nijue kwamba hii urafiki yetu itadumu forever. Ochanda, thank you. I was in London 2 weeks ago with you, and you talked like a statesman, and keep that mood, and induct everybody else. Now, it's my humble duty to invite